Hey Maureen, Bob Holzacker here at Mercedes-Benz of Scarborough, Maine. Today I'm proud to present this 2022 Mercedes-Benz GLE 350. Just came in from the factory. No miles on it, maybe 6 or 7 miles, just factory transportation and such. And I can always tell when a car has just come in because they're virtually out of gas. The factory doesn't really give us much gas. We have to fuel them right away, which I'll do after this video. But what a fabulous car. It shows so nicely in white because there is a lot of black trim on the car. Of course, now we have all LED headlights, which are the safer, longer lasting, better headlight. It's going to shine further down the road without blinding people. And just one safety feature out of many, most of which Mercedes-Benz invented, the front brake assist system, which is radar powered. It's not camera based, so it works at night and through the fog. And that is going to alert you that you have something in the way and actually will apply the brakes if need be. So it's wonderful. Beautiful running boards. You have the nice AMG style wheels. It really amps up the look and feel of this vehicle. If you pull any kind of a trailer at all, you want to have the built-in trailer hitch, which this does. Aftermarket, I don't think are as safe. This is pre-wired and has the trailer hitch. 4MATIC, all four wheels are powered all the time. I think it's the best in the business. We have winter mats in the car right now. We have a front license plate here, your first aid kit, and some different things in there. So plenty of room. As you can see, the seats are going to fold all the way down flat for your nursery and Home Depot runs. Let's come around to this side. Plenty of room for your guests. That's a beautiful cabin with air controls back here. Also, you notice the Burmester sound system, 580 watts. Very crisp at every volume level. It really is a great system for anyone. It really is terrific. Let's open up in the front. Now you can see the window sticker here. Nice list of options, but it's not overstuffed with things, keeping the MSRP around $67,000. But all the things are standard: the active brake assist, the park assist. The car knows if you're getting T-boned. All of that is standard. Opening up in here, hard to see right now, but you do have heated seats, heated steering wheel. You also have the touchscreen now in the MBUX system, which has gotten a lot of press. So you actually can speak your navigation commands, your temperature, ambient lighting, radio station. The idea is to keep your eyes on the road. And that's artificial intelligence. It will get better and better over time, but it starts off very well. It really is a great system. All right. So that's it. Bob Holzacker here, Mercedes-Benz of Scarborough. Call me on my cell if there are any questions at all, 207-747-9714. Thank you.